In this video, I'll show you how to use progress invoicing in QuickBooks Online's new interface so you can bill a customer in stages instead of charging the full amount at once. First, you need to enable the feature. Click the gear icon, go to Account and Settings, open the Sales tab, then scroll to Progress Invoicing, hit Edit, toggle it on, save, and click Done. If you don't see it, it's usually a permissions or plan limitation, and a quick browser refresh can help the setting appear. Once it's on, click New and choose Invoice. Select your customer, then add the products and services as usual, keeping descriptions clear so the client understands what each stage covers. Now, instead of invoicing the full line amount, QuickBooks lets you invoice a percentage perfect for deposits, milestones, and completion payments. Pick something like 25% for an upfront deposit or 50% for a midpoint payment, and QuickBooks automatically calculates the partial totals so you stay consistent and accurate. Add a note like Phase 1 deposit to reduce disputes, and if your job has multiple lines, set different percentages per line for tighter control. Subscribe for more simple QuickBooks tutorials that actually help.